We find ourselves today at Connect Mobile Solutions in Dunmurry. We're just after fitting our colour-coded parking sensors to the Audi A1. As you can see, they match on pretty good with the colour of the bumper. That's in there. And on the other side, give me a wee close-up of what we've got, and a wee demonstration of what it does when you pop it into reverse. You hear your beep, and now as we go back and back, single beeps, and I think we've went far enough. Just take a wee look and see how far we actually go back. 10 to 12 inches. If this is something that you would like, please contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, Belfast and Mahara.